How to fix suspicious login attempt on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel TechPorn. In this video I'm going to show you how you can fix suspicious login attempt on Instagram. To learn how to do it, please make sure to stick with us till the end of the video and follow our instructions correctly. So without further ado, let's get started. So if you are trying to log in your account and you are seeing suspicious login attempt messages on your Instagram and you are not able to log into your account, so I'll show you some steps and you will be able to fix this issue. Follow me and you will be able to fix suspicious login attempt on Instagram. Just tap on your Instagram application on your mobile device and it is going to look like this when you try to log in, and tap on forgot password. Now what you can do is find your account and change your password, and you will be able to fix suspicious login attempt. And because you are going to verify that it's you, and Instagram will help you to log into your account, just type on your Instagram user ID and tap on find account. Now type on your Instagram ID and tap on find account. Now you have to verify it's you, and they are going to send you code or a link to verify your account. So now you can enter your password to log in, or you can get code or link via SMS on your phone number to verify it's you. So now tap on continue and type on the OTP code that Instagram has sent you to your mobile number. And now you'll be able to create a new password and secure account so that no one will able to log into your account. Now type on a strong password for your account. After typing on a strong password for your Instagram account, tap on continue. So after creating your password, you will be able to log into your account and you will be able to access your account. So after doing these steps, you will be able to fix suspicious login attempt on Instagram. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to drop like and subscribe to our channel. We'll keep posting videos like this. See you in the next video.